Do you know why casino never panic? Because they already know some will wins. 100 people walk into a casino. Each people bet around 1000 rupees. It's totally on the table 1 lakh rupees. In those 100 people, one will get lucky and win 10,000 rupees. Everyone look at the winner, but the casino owner look remaining 90,000. That's where traders fail. एक लॉस आया और कॉन्फिडेंस टूट गया, एक स्टॉप लॉस हिट हुआ और स्ट्रेटेजी चेंज कर दी. द कैसीनो never care about one bet. It's only care about the remaining profit. Real trader think the same way. अगर 10 में से तुमने 1-2 ट्रेड में मार्केट को पैसा दे दिया तो क्या दिक्कत है? तुमने 8 ट्रेड में तो मार्केट से पैसा बनाया है ना. Stop thinking like a player. Start thinking like a casino. Wait, I am wearing the Traders Empire tee. The fabric is premium, the fit is clean, and trust me, when you wear this tee in public, people will notice you. Special offer live right now, link in bio.